this and this. The longer you want it to be, the longer one you have. Understand? If you want it, like this dish is not as big like my own dish. Now I'm saying it because it trays the hole. That hole here.
Let me see the hole. Okay.
I don't go move it. No problem. Let's just assume that we have got the joy, whether it crack, whether it come out or not. Understand? Let's just see how we can. Can see. Oh, I'm supposed to put down for outside. I can put down, but no problem. No problem.
Like what? What should be outside?
The washer is supposed to be outside.
Okay, back of the scaler.
Okay. You can see it's turning. So bring it out. It's a mistake.
You want to redo it again?
Washer is supposed to be outside, not inside.
Wow.
Understand? If not, it still be rolling. The idea of this washer is so that it won't be rolling.
Okay, for wind and all that.
Not rolling, not turn. To be firm, so it's not supposed to be this side. It's supposed to be like this. It's to rest on this thing.
So all these boats, waiting this one at 10 boat and
This one 10. So fix it like this. Whenever I even do dissect,
if it is outside,
never do dissect. I pray make this thing work.
If it is outside, you cannot move anymore.
To be firm. I pray make this thing work. So that when we do the dissect. Let me just hold this. Nothing that the frequency.
Yes, that's the frequency.
So let's see. Like this now. Let's see. Where is that plier? Let's bend it like this.
Okay, plier will make you turn out the way you want.
But that one will be going up. So this one now. Understand? You see?
And this thing, if breeze come, it no go scatter.
It's
not heavy, sir.
So you can now use this thing like this. See, this thing is the way they did this thing. You can't put it like this to be up. So it's like this. You can see it's bending inside like this.
Okay.
So you put it like this.
Okay, why can't you put it like this?
It will not stay well. It's like this that you can see. Like this one is bent like this to enter.
Okay.
Like this, so you put it like this.
Sorry, Kai. How this thing they break them all? Will it still work? Oh.
Nothing wrong with it. See?
This one
you can see.
the screwdriver you use, Sabi?
Let's use this thing like this. No one need to use them anymore.
Where's your screwdriver?
No one needs to. You can use your hand. It's not something you force.
May not go break.
Okay, so that I can
See
rotate
this
it.
one? Now you bring out this. So now this is going to go up because you are doing it the other way. normally, normally 28 is higher than 36. Right? But
28.
because 28, but because we are doing it now, 36 will be higher. 36 will be higher. So normally DSTV, you can't put it like this again. Put it like this. So I put it like this.
Okay, this one is 36 now. The one you're at.
Yes.
Okay.
See, look at it, just be watching. This is guesswork, but you can see, just assume people that use cable binding wire, they just assume that it's